So let us go further in our third lesson. We have done almost 4 methods. First was about elimination method, second was substitution, third one was cross multiplication, and one method is pending. So let us go with that method, and that is the graphical method. So let us take one example of a linear equation in two variables. Let us say x plus y is equal to 5 and 2x minus y is equal to 7. Now let us try to solve this sum with the help of the graphical method. So as you know, in a graphical method, first you have to make a table, right? So let us make a table. So for that we will take one by one both the equations. X plus y is equal to 5. So x is equal to, by taking y on that side, 5 minus y. Now let us make the table by taking x and y. We will take 3 to 4 values of y, and for that we will try to find out the value of x. So let us say if y is 0, then 5 minus 0 becomes 5. If I take y is equal to 1, 5 minus y will become 4. If I take it 2, then 5 minus 2 is 3. And if I take it 5, then 5 minus 5 becomes 0. So this is the table for x plus y is equal to 5. Now let us consider the second equation. 2x minus y is equal to 7. So therefore minus y is equal to 7 minus 2x. And if we change the sign of all the terms, then y will become 2x minus 7. Because minus 2x is becoming plus 2x and 7 is becoming minus 7. Now let us make a table for that one. Suppose if I take x is equal to 0. So for that 2 into 0 becomes 0. 0 minus 7, that will become minus 7. If I take it as 2, so 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 7, that is minus 3. If I take it 4, then 4 2s are 8 minus 7, that becomes 1. And if I take it 5, it is 5 2s are 10 minus 7, so that is 3. So now you are having a table for both the equations, first and second. Let us try to plot the graph. First you have to check that on the x-axis we are having all positive values, 5, 4, 3, 0, and here also all the positive values are there. And on the y-axis we are having positive as well as the negative values. So y-axis you have to build up like this, positive as well as negative, and x-axis you can take only positive values. Just find out the limit on the x-axis. Maximum you are having 5, so let us go up to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. On positive y it is up to 5, so let us go up to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And negative it is up to minus 7, so minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6 and minus 7. Now let us plot the points. First we will plot the points for equation x plus y equal to 5. First is phi 0. You know how to plot the points. Let us say this is phi 0. Second is 4 1. So 4 is on x-axis and 1 is on y-axis. So this will be 4 1. Third is 3 2. So this is 3, this is 2. 3 2. And next is 0 and 5. So this will be 0 and this will be 5. And now connect all these points with the help of the scale. So you will be getting the line. That's why it is called a linear equation. So first line is representing this equation, x plus y is equal to 5. Now let us try to plot the second one. First is 0 and minus 7. So this one. 2 and minus 3. So this is 2, this is minus 3. This is the point. 4 and 1. 4 and 1 is the same point which we have got in earlier equation also. And 5 and 3. This is 5 and this one is 3. Again connect it with the straight line and see where both the lines are intersecting each other. So you can see this is the point which is 4, 1, where both the lines are intersecting with each other. And the point of intersection is called the solution of this pair of linear equation. So you can write it as solution is nothing but what it is, 4, 1. So this method is basically called a graphical method. Whether you go with the substitution method or elimination or any of the method, you are going to get the same solution, 4, 1. Now there is a point of verification. You can verify in the classroom, in an examination hall only, whether you have got the correct answer or not, by putting 4 as x and 1 as y. Let us put 4 as x and 1 as y. So 4 plus 1, you are getting what is there on the right hand side, 5. So it is the right answer. Similarly, you can check it here also. 2 4s are 8 minus 1, so you are getting 7. So this is your solution. Right. So friends, this is the way you can go ahead with the graphical method. I'll explain one more sum with the graphical method, and then I will give you some sums to try. So we'll switch over to the second sum afterwards.